guys, and welcome to second last Vlogmas of this year. I had so much fun making these, and thank you so much all for watching, and I want to take the time and wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. In this video, I wanted to share with you two different appetizers that are great for the New Year's party. So the first one that I am making is just simple nachos. With a little bit of a different twist. So I wanted to show you how I prepare my meat and then assemble the nachos and all the different things that I serve with the nachos. So the first thing that I do is I cut up my onion. So once the oil is preheated, I saute the onion until it's translucent. So about 2-3 minutes, depending on your stove. Once the onion is translucent, I add about a pound of extra lean ground beef. To do this, I am using, to break up the beef, I am using a handy tool from Pampered Chef. I add salt and pepper. Next step, I prepare my taco seasoning, and for this I am using several different spices and herbs. They are the chili powder, garlic powder, oregano, cumin, onion powder, paprika, ground black pepper, red pepper flakes. I will have the recipe linked down below. I also add salt, about a teaspoon of salt. Once I have added all the ingredients, I mix it up and add about 2 tablespoons of it into the meat. This depends on taste, so make sure you adjust the seasoning. Once the beef is done and you have tasted it, you might want to add a bit more. So start less and add more if needed. Once the beef is cooked, I put it in a bowl until I prepare all my other stuff that I will be adding to the nachos. This again is up to you what you want to add, but this one I found that it tastes the best, the combination, and I add spring onion, which I clean up and I chop up. I use both the white part and the green part of the green onion. I also wash and cut cherry tomatoes. I cut these up into 3 pieces. I also cut up some jalapenos. Now I don't put these on, I simply keep them on the side for anybody that wants to add them to the nachos once they're being served. I will also be using some black sliced olives. Now to prepare my pan, I just oil it with some avocado oil just so the cheese and the nachos don't stick to it. This way the cleanup is a breeze. For the nachos, I use the kepasa, organic, blue corn and yellow corn, and I just layer the two into the pans. Once I'm done layering the chips, I add the beef. I try to split it evenly between the 2 pans. Then I add the black olives, tomatoes, the cut up tomatoes, and spring onion. and followed by the shredded cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want on these. they're ready, I put them in the oven at 350 to 375 for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the oven. Next appetizer that I will be making is a slow cooker or crock pot spinach and artichoke dip. This dip is amazing, and some of the things that I will be adding are frozen spinach, sour cream, canned artichokes, Parmesan cheese, and also shredded mozzarella, marble, or cheddar. I don't usually, whatever I have at hand. So unfortunately, the process that I was trying to show you, my camera died. So what I have added in here was artichokes, and which I rinsed and cut up, and I also pressed in some garlic. I am doubling up a recipe, so that's why it seems a lot, because I will be freezing this half of it for later use. Next step that I'm doing is I am chopping up onion, and I will be adding to it. I also wanted to mention that I will have the recipe link down below as well. I have thawed out the spinach, well, most of it, in the microwave, and I squeeze out the water and add the spinach into the bowl. I had to put some of it back into the microwave. Now I'm adding salt and pepper, followed by some shredded cheese, and I am using marble. I'm also adding Parmesan cheese, sour cream, now I'm gonna add the rest of the spinach that I placed back into the microwave, and now I think it's all nicely thawed out. Now I'm going to give the whole thing a really good stir, mix it very well. I probably should have used a bigger bowl, but what can you do? Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to oil my crock pot with some olive oil and paper towel. Then I'm going to add up my mixture, my dip. I haven't added cream cheese yet, so that will be at the end. So once you add it, don't over mix too much, because you don't want to take off all the oil from the sides. Last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to break up the cream cheese and add it on top. I want to cover the whole top with cream cheese evenly and just leave it that way for cooking. I had this cooking on high for 4 hours. It filled up my crock pot to the top. I know the recipe that I'm linking down below suggests cooking it on low for 4 hours, but I found that this was sufficient. This cooked it really well for 4 hours on high. I did, however, mix it about every hour and a half in. So here is the finished product. It tasted absolutely delicious. So I would like to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and thank you all for watching Vlogmas, and I hope you all have happy holidays.